Hey, what's up guys? This is Ehsan Habib. Welcome to Latch. Today, I will show how to download and install Kali Linux on your Windows computer. If you want to learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking and bug bounty hunting, then Kali Linux is a most of the real weapon for your learning journey. In this video, I have shown step by step the download and installation process. I hope you will be able to install Kali Linux after watching the entire video. I install it using the Prebuilt method, which is the very quick and easy. So without further ado, let's start the video. First, we will open Chrome or any browser and type Oracle VirtualBox download and press enter. Click on the first link and click Windows host. Now we can see Oracle VirtualBox is downloading. Now we need to download Kali Linux. Create a new tab and go back to the search box. Type Kali Linux download and press enter. Click on the first link. Since we will installing it in VirtualBox, that's why click virtual machine. Click VirtualBox. It's almost 3.5 GB. If I click download icon, then I can see both files are downloading. Both files are downloaded in my download folder, okay? First of all, click on the Kali Linux file and open with WinRAR. And click extract to and OK. Now the file is extracting. We will wait some time for extracting the file. Now extract is complete. I have a new file. Then double click on VirtualBox and click yes. Click next. And I accept the term of the license agreement and click next. Again click next. Yes. Again yes. And next. And click install. Now VirtualBox is installing. Click finish. And it is automatically open. First of all, click open and go to the download folder. Kali Linux file and click the file and open. It is ready for run, okay? Depending on your computer configuration, you can change many settings from here, okay? We can see default username is Kali and password is Kali. Click start. Our virtual machine is opening. Our username is Kali and password is Kali and enter. Now you can see Kali Linux is successfully installed on my VirtualBox. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.